think this is really just the death knell in the case, honestly.
Before we head back to court, I want to bring back in criminal defense attorney Silva Megerditchian to discuss. And Silva, we got to go right to what's the elephant in the room, these text messages. You touched on them earlier. They sound even worse. I had read them on a page. They sound even worse coming out of the mouth of this roommate. What do you make of it?
Michael, this is one of those that no amount of commentary is enough, right? Because imagine the jury in there sitting, hearing the hatred and the vitriol. But here's the issue, though, too, and the defense, I'm sure, is going to argue this. There is nothing illegal about venting to your best friend, to your roommate, about your frustrations and your stress. But it doesn't necessarily mean, and it's not enough to show, that this young woman actually killed a baby. And that's what the defense really needs to harp on. You know, she said, I wish I could punch the baby. I wish I could run it over with a car. These are very exaggerative words. And that's what I think the defense is going to hone on. But this case, Michael, hearing it in reality, and Judge Ashley, it changes the color and the tone. And it's going to be an incredible uphill battle. Jurors hate baby deaths. We all do, but jurors especially. And I think sometimes the defendant lacks the benefit of the doubt that naturally comes to defendants who are innocent until proven guilty. I think this is really just the death knell in the case, honestly.
And in the context of this case, these text messages do not help her case.